Hi guys, welcome to B Codewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a moving cloud like this using HTML and CSS. So come to our VS Code. Here I have made my HTML file and CSS file. In HTML file, I have written my basic structure of HTML file and I have given the title moving cloud animation, and I have linked my CSS file here. So in body tag I have taken a class with cloud in div tag, and I have taken a style at 1 second delay, and height top I have taken 10 v min, so minimum 10 v. So after that I have taken the same div class 3 times. So I have changed here. The first cloud will be 1 second late, then second cloud will be 3 seconds late, and third cloud will be 6 seconds late. And I have defined the height of the first class cloud, second class cloud height, and third cloud. So after doing this, come to our CSS file. I have taken the body, margin 0, padding 0, and a background color. Now I will go for the class cloud. You can see here the class cloud. So in class cloud I have taken the position absolute. Top I have taken a variable top. You can see here I have taken this top here in my HTML file, and I have taken left 0 and left width 20 v minimum and height 10 v minimum. So and border radius I have taken, and after that I have taken the background color. Then I have taken animation name cloud 10 second, and I have taken a variable delay. Here in HTML file you can see the variable delay and linear and infinite, and it will be backwards. So after doing this, in cloud class with after I have taken content should be nothing, position absolute, width 20 v minimum, and height 12 v minimum. So bottom 0 and border radius I have taken here. You can see the code, and here no need of this. I will remove that, and now you can see the transform translate x 9v minimum background color code I have taken here, and after that I have taken the cloud before tag, and content I have taken nothing, it should be empty. Position absolute, width 15v minimum, height 8v minimum, bottom 8v minimum, and border radius I have taken 20 20 and 0 0. No need of this also. You can write simply that much code only, and here transform translate x 6p minimum background color code I have taken here. After that, I'm going to animate my cloud. Here I have taken animate name cloud. So I am going to target at the keyframes at 0% transform translate x, it will be 100 v width. So and here 100 at 100% I have taken transform translate x minus 100 v. So after adding this much of code, you will get a beautiful cloud animation like this. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.